Well, we're out of the
You'll
question.
soon.
I don't
You
know
will. Like when she's like Kieran's age.
No, I don't think
Yeah,
so.
you will.
You
I know,
only
it's
want
hard
one
to
kid?
think.
Not for at least 5 years.
5 years?
Yes. I've seen my sister-in-law dealing with it. It's not
Yeah,
easy.
but that's different, because they're boys.
Doesn't matter. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like breakout session.
Girl,
I know.
She gets touchy. You're so cute.
Kieran, do you love the
Maya,
baby?
what are you doing? Maya's looking at the light.
No, she's giving nummies.
Oh, nummies.
She doesn't have teeth. Where's your Dr.
Does she
Dr.
eat
kit?
anything besides formula?
She eats cereal, applesauce, sweet potato.
She doesn't like apple too much.
She doesn't like applesauce.
Really?
Hello, Daddy.
Come here. Hey, Kieran.
When I bet you.
She's like, hey.
Kieran. Kieran. Yes.
Is that a video?
Kieran, you want to stay with Mommy?
What is he doing?
I just snapped 32 photos.
You have to with kids, though.
Yeah.
So no, baby's not crying. Baby's
Baby
happy.
good. Baby is smiling.
Baby's nice. Baby's
Happy.
happy.
Is she like?
Why don't you tickle